So here I have a baofeng uv-5r, and it seems to have a sound problem. Something to do with the volume knob, I think. In the right position, it makes all the normal sounds, the beeps and everything. As soon as I move it, that's all I can get out of is that ticking sound. Everything else seems to be working. It still does transmit when it's not making any sound. Yeah, but switching it on and off, there's no beep or no sound whatsoever. I've checked, there's no tones, and also the squelch level. I've mucked around the squelch level. It doesn't change anything. I've reset it, just using the keypad or the menu. Sorry. And it doesn't make any difference. Reprogrammed it just with 80 channel UHF CB. Still transmits fine, just no sound unless I've got the volume knob just in the right position. Takes a little bit of mucking around to get the volume just in the right position so I can actually hear it, make sound. As soon as I move it either way, there's no sound. Can't quite figure out what it is or what the problem is. Yeah, anyway, thank you.